Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question comes from Sam. He is going through a divorce with his wife and she has placed all their community property into a trust and is now telling him that this property now is her separate property because it is in the trust. He wants to know if this is true and if he has any recourse. Before I get started answering this question for Sam, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So as I stated, Sam and Bethany are going through a divorce, and Bethany has put all the community property into a trust and is telling Sam that this property is now her separate property. So upon the divorce, he is not entitled to half of this, that all the property will be going to her as her separate property because of the designation in the trust. My quick answer to this, and it's a very simple answer when it comes to community property in a trust, is that putting community property assets into a trust does not make that property into a separate property. This community property that has been transferred in the trust will be considered community property just as it was before it was put into the trust. So upon a divorce, the court will take a look at the assets that are being put into the trust, will divide it just as they would had the property not been in the trust. Any separate property will go to the separate spouse whose property it belonged to originally or separately, and any community property that has been retained or obtained during the marriage will be divided equally by the parties. So the trust will not be used as a way to deprive one party from their property just because it was placed into this trust. So again, Sam, the community property that was yours to begin with will still be community property, even though Bethany has put this into a trust. It will not automatically be changed into separate property. I hope that this has answered this question for you. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you know somebody who can benefit from this information, please don't hesitate and share this with them. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.